In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or retrieve your TrustWallet account. TrustWallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to manage your digital assets securely. Whether you're new to using TrustWallet or just need a refresher on how to regain access to your account, I've got you covered. First, go ahead and open up your TrustWallet app. Once you're in, you'll immediately notice the main features of TrustWallet on the screen, such as send, receive, swap, buy, and sell. You'll also see your tokens displayed conveniently, making it easy to manage your assets. This layout is designed to offer seamless navigation and ensure you can quickly get to the action you need. If you've logged in on a device and have utilized the backup feature, you're in a good position to retrieve your wallet. But remember, the most crucial element to access your TrustWallet account is the secret phrase. This secret phrase is essentially your master key, and safeguarding it should be a top priority. To start retrieving or resetting your wallet, simply look for the Settings option within the app. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Manage Wallets. Here, you'll see a list of your wallets. Click on the account that needs attention. Next, you'll need to click on Secret Phrase. This step is vital because it takes you closer to finding your secret phrase, which you'll need to regain access to your wallet. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember, this password is not the same as your secret phrase. It's an additional layer of security TrustWallet provides to protect your account. Once you've entered your password, click Verify. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be able to view and copy your secret phrase. It's essential to save this phrase in a secure location. You might want to store it in a secure file or write it down and keep it in a safe place. The secret phrase is your lifeline in accessing your wallet again. It's crucial to remember that this is the only way you can retrieve your account if you ever need to reinstall the app or use it on a new device. And that wraps up the guidance on how to reset or retrieve your TrustWallet account. By ensuring you have your secret phrase securely stored, you'll always be ready to manage your digital assets with ease and peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and make sure to secure your assets carefully.